on it. And if you want to order this collection, you just have to do one thing. You can take a screenshot directly. You can see the number on the screen. Next collection is going to be green color. Now I'm not going to show you this collection on table. I'm going to show you this collection on the dummy. You can see how beautiful the dummy is looking. Plus I am wearing this collection. So this collection is just for you because this So today I brought you a very beautiful patchwork design 3-piece collection, special summer edition collection. As you can see on the table, it's going to be boutique collection. So don't skip the video, watch till the end, comment down below from where you're watching this video. If I talk about the first piece, this is going to be very trendy golden color 3-piece. As you can see on the table, how beautiful the patchwork and the threadwork design is, and you can see the detailing and you can see the craftsmanship, and this is going to be very beautiful. You can see this piece as well. You can see on the dummy as well how beautiful this piece has been crafted. Plus you can see the organza dupatta. The shawl length is going to be proper 2.15 meter. You can see this, how beautiful it's going to look, how beautiful it's going to give the contrast. You can see the 3D print on it. And if you want to order this collection, you just have to do one thing. You can take a screenshot directly. You can see the number on the screen. Send it to us, video call us and purchase your collection. Plus international shipping is available. Secondly, courier service is available if you're from India, and if you are from India, if you are living in India, COD is available. If you want to order this collection, you can purchase one set also, L, XL, XXL, 3XL, which contains 4 pieces. Next collection is going to be green color. Now I'm not going to show you this collection on table. I'm going to show you this collection on the dummy. You can see how beautiful the dummy is looking. Plus I am wearing this collection. So this collection is just for you because this is very soothing and very comfortable and very hugging cloth. It's going to be very suitable for summers, and you can see how beautiful it's crafted. So if you want to order all these collection, so don't even think about it, order it now, because this collection is going to be stock out very soon, because it's going to be special summer edition collection. And especially for boutique owners, you can see this next collection, black color, every girl's favorite collection. You can see this, how beautiful the patchwork and the thread work is. Plus if I'm going to show you the dupatta is the, you can say, the signature move of this collection. You can see the proper 2.15 meter dupatta plus with 3D printing, how beautiful the dupatta is looking. So if you're liking this collection, what are you worrying about? Order it now. I'm saying it repeatedly, order it now, because this collection is going to stock out very soon. And if you're planning to come to Surat, or you are nearby Surat, you just have to call us. We are going to pick you up. Pick and drop facility is available, COD is available, international shipping is available. And if you own a boutique shop, or you're planning to own a boutique, or you're planning to own a business from home, so this collection is just for you. You can see this next collection, beautiful lavender color, and this collection is going to come with proper lining. You can see the lining as well in the piece, proper full lining with it, and you can see the cotton lining with it. And this is going to be very beautiful patchwork designing. If I talk about the dummies, you can see the dummies as well. So you can place a dummy in your boutique or your shop. You can sell this collection very easily. 50% margin you can earn in this collection, and this is going to be very blockbuster collection, especially for summer. So I'm going to show you the last collection, the white and the blockbuster collection. You can see this beautiful white color, how beautiful the white color is. So it's looking very beautiful, you can see, and it's going to come with a proper dupatta, 2.15 meter dupatta. So if you like this collection, you just have to do one thing: like the channel, comment, share and subscribe, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.